Hey guys, welcome back to the next lecture. In this one, we're going to be creating a pie graph. Now, I love pie graphs because you're able to see how the whole picture or the whole pie is broken up and by how much. It's really visual. Pie charts are really common. Everyone understands them. So you must be able to create pie graphs. Also, I like to work in percentages, and I've learned that when you're reporting to upper level management or you're trying to explain something to someone, pie charts are amazing at trying to show how information relates to one another. Okay? So, again, let's start building. We want to start with, as always, the insert menu tab. Then we want to go charts, pie. Now we're not going to use the first one. We're going to use the exploded pie, which is my favorite. Now, as you can see, it's automatically created it. We don't want that. So I'm going to delete it by right clicking, select data, and removing. Okay, so now we have a blank slate. We're going to go add, and we're going to go series name, which is going to be the current net worth. Series value, let's delete this. We want to add the net worth, like so. Now, as you can see from our graph, it's almost unusable. There's no values. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, it doesn't mean anything. And it's hard to see the differences in some of this. So we're going to fix that very soon. So press OK. Now we're going to add the labels. So we're going to add each of the people and their names, like so. Alright, so now it's coming together a little bit, but still it's a bit hard to see what the values actually are. So what we're going to do is add again data labels, but this time we're going to use percentages. Okay, so you want to click on the data like so. Clicking like that when it's a square is not the same as clicking on the data itself. Okay, just a special note with pie charts. So you want to right click on the data and you want to go add data labels. Now this is automatically going to add just the value you've already set, but we don't want that. We want percentages. So what you're going to have to do is click on one of the data labels like so. Oops. One of the data labels, right click and go format data labels. Okay, so what we're going to do is untick value. Let me move this to the side. We're going to untick value. We're going to tick category name. So you're going to have the names of all the people who are part of this chart. Then we're going to show percentage, like so. And close that. Now, as you can see, let's full screen this. Okay, design. Let's minimize that. All right, and zoom in. One more. All right. So as you can see, we don't need this area anymore because the names are actually on the pie. So we want to go select and delete, like so. All right. Lastly, let's put a design on this. Now watch what happens. Let's pick a 3D color. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, even till now, after years of using this program, when I see things like this, I'm still very proud of this program. I mean, I love it. We did that in about, what, 4 minutes? Extremely powerful stuff, guys. So that's it from me on this one. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you start using charts as much as I do. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.